welcome back. Today let us discuss the equation of a circle. Equation of a circle. The equation of the circle with the center 0. For example, let me draw a circle. Oh, circle is not drawn. Ah, yes, good. Let me erase this one. Good. Let me have a bigger circle. Okay. Now, what I want to say, assume that this is a line, x-axis, and followed by the y-axis. This is the x-axis and this is y-axis. The origin is 0, 0. The equation of the circle with center is 0, 0, and the radius. What is the radius? This is the radius, right? So the radius is, say, some point x, y. Already we know the Pythagoras theorem. If I want to, from the distance formula, if I want to know this distance, what I have to do? I need to draw a perpendicular line and I need to find the x distance and the y distance, and this is the radius r. Okay, so the radius r is, how to find r from the Pythagoras theorem? R square equals x square plus y square. What the Pythagoras theorem states that if I have a right angle triangle, this is a x distance and this is a y distance and this is a z distance. So Pythagoras states that z square equals x square plus y square. So if you want to find the z, it is the square root of x square plus y square. Similarly here, so r square equals x square plus y square if we have the circle with the center 0, 0. Okay, now for any point of the circle x, y joined to the origin of the circle, origin to the center of the circle, x determine the horizontal side, so x determine the horizontal side, and the y determines the vertical side. Y determines the vertical side, and the radius r is the hypothesis. Radius r is the hypothesis from the Pythagoras theorem, r is the hypothesis. So hypothesis square equal vertical side square plus horizontal side square. Hence, every single point on the circumference of the circle satisfies the Pythagoras theorem. So not only in the everyone, suppose if I take a point here, okay, this, I change the color, this point also satisfies the Pythagoras theorem. Any point in the circle, if I take here, this also will satisfy the Pythagoras theorem. Every point satisfies the Pythagoras theorem, right? So in this case, we can also extend this formula. We can also extend this formula for any circle with any center points. For example, let me draw a circle. Let me draw a circle. If I have a circle and suppose if I have a circle like this, now this circle, this center point is not at 0, 0. So this is the x-axis and this is the y-axis. So the circle's center point, say, somewhere here. I change the color. Center point is center point is somewhere here. Okay, now I need to what is this? I need to find the radius. This is r. I need to find the radius r. Oh god, yes, I need to find the radius r. How to find the radius? Same, it satisfies the Pythagoras theorem. What is Pythagoras theorem says? I need to find the vertical distance and the horizontal distance. So this point is say a comma b. The center point is a comma b, right? So from this a comma b, I need to find the circle equation. I need to find the radius for any point. So in this case, for any point x comma y on the circumference, on the circumference, any point of circumference, your right angle triangle can be drawn. So like this, yeah, right now. So assume that right angle triangle is drawn. So once if you draw the right angle triangle, what is the vertical distance here in this case? Let me zoom this one. Let me zoom this one. The right angle triangle is drawn. Okay, so here we need to find the distance, the horizontal distance. What is the horizontal distance? This is a, so this is somewhere x and x comma y. Okay, so what is this distance? This distance equals higher value minus lower value. Of course x will be the higher value and the a will be the lower value, right? So this is the horizontal distance and this is the vertical distance. So I can say this is a b value, so which is a lower value. Lower value is a y and higher value is a, higher value is a y minus b. So this is a y value. X minus a is the horizontal side and the y minus b is the vertical side. And from here we can find the radius. What is the radius? Radius is the hypothesis. So in general, so in the previous example with the center 0, if the circle have as the center 0, what is the equation? R square equals x square plus y square, right? But here the r square equal, the circle is not having the center point 0 comma 0. What we have to do, r square equals x minus a the whole square plus y minus b whole square. So this is the horizontal distance and the vertical distance, right? So now rearranging, I freeze this one, freeze the sheet. Now rearranging and expanding, all expanding and rearranging, we get x square a square, the y square plus b square here also, and b square is there, minus 2ab minus 2ab minus r square equal to 0. And the general equation of a circle can be written as, equation of circle can be written as x square plus y square plus 2fx plus 2gy plus c equal to 0, where f equals minus a, g equals minus b, and c equals a square plus b square minus r square. So general equation is written like this. If you are given the equation of circle in this form, you can find the center and the radius. So if your circle is given in this form, so you can find the center and the radius like this. Already you know that radius equals this one, y minus b the whole square equals r square. Okay, right? So this is how we derive the general form of the equation of the circle. And let us see one small example. The circle C has center -7, 13. The point 5, 4 lies on the circumference. Lies on the circumference of the circle. Find the equation of the circle. Find the equation of the circle. Okay. Now, from the question, what you understand? You understand that I have one circle. The circle's central point is, suppose this is the center point. Center point is -7, 3. Sorry, -7, 13. And the point, somewhere, some point lies, some point here. It is 5, 4. From these two things, two values, two data, I need to find the line equation, circle equation. So how to find? There it is. First, I need to find the radius, can be found from the formula r square. R square, the radius, already I said r square equal to x minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square. -7 -7 -5 whole square plus, so this is then y minus y1 or y minus b. 13 minus 4 the whole square. So rearranging, equating, you'll get 255. Then r equals root 255, which equals 15 square is 255. So the r is 15. Now, once you found the r, substitute the coordinates. Substitute the coordinates of the center -7, 13 and r square equals, sorry, if I had a missing, that's why I was wondering. This is 225, so this also 225, so 15 times 15 equals 225. Okay, right. So the r square is 225. Now we have the general, what is the general equation? General equation of the circle, we have x plus a the whole square plus y minus b, that is y2 y1 like that, equals to 25. Clear? So from this we have arrived the general equation of the circle. Very easy. Understand, guys? See you. Bye bye. Have a great day.